Good morning to everyone. In the lecture topic, in the lecture title, machining operation. Now we can move the topic machining operation. Most important machining operations: turning, drilling, milling. Other machining process: shaping and planning, broaching, solving. We have first initially explained in turning. Single point cutting tool remove material from a rotating workpiece to form a cylindrical shape. So the picture, this is a single point cutting tool to cut a remove material. Rotating workpiece, the workpiece speed motion cylindrical shape. Okay, the new surface is gained. Another one is drilling, used to create a round hole. Drilling is used to create a round hole, usually by means of rotating tool. This is called drill bit with two cutting edges. So the pictures should be placed on the bottom side in workpiece, and to get drill bit rotate in direction with the two cutting edge to give the feed motion in the tool to create the round hole. Okay, this is called drilling. Another one in the milling, rotating multiple cutting edge tool is moved across the work to cut a plane or straight surface. This is called milling, rotating multiple cutting edge. Multiple cutting edge moved across the work to cut a plane or straight surface to form peripheral milling and face milling. The show the diagram C. In peripheral milling, the workpiece in milling cutter is moved on the rotation, the new surface is gained. Another one, the face milling. Face milling in the should be placed on the top of the workpiece and the milling cutter is rotating, then gained on the new surface. Another one topic is machine tool. A machine tool is used to manufacture metal component of machine through a machining. A machine tool is used to manufacture metal components of machines through a machining, a process whereby metal is selectively removed to create a desired shape. This is called machine tools. Ranging from simple to complex pieces, machines tool can produce part of different shape and size. Machine tools, a power driven machine that perform a machining operation including grinding. Functions of machine tools: hold work part, positions tool relative to work, provides power at speed, feed and depth that have been set. The term is also applied to machine that perform metal forming operation. Type of machine tools. There are many type and example of machine tools: milling machine, grinding machine, planer, lathe, shaper, broaching. Some other type of machine tools are drill presses, gear shapers, saws and threading machines. Milling machine, a machine tool used to machine solid material. Show the diagram. That's first one, slab mill. Another second, helical mill, core with tool mill, helical mill, arbor type, and staggered tooth mill, side mill, interlocking mill, metal cutting saw. The diagram, the machines we can visualize: the milling machine. Another one, grinding machine, a machine tool used for grinding a process whereby an abrasive wheel is used as cutting tool. This is called grinding machines. Another one, planer machine, a metal working machine tool that uses a straight or linear movement between the workpiece and a single point cutting tool to machine a linear tool path. Last one of the lathe, a machine tool that rotates a workpiece on its axis to carry out various operations such as drilling, turning, boring, facing, threading, grooving and parting off. This all work process involved in the lathe. This machine show in lathe. Shaper. A machine tool that uses straight or linear motion between the workpiece and a single point cutting tool to machine a linear tool path. This is called shaper. Another one of the broaching machine. A machine tool that uses a toothed tool or a broach to remove material. The tool can use two type of broaching, namely rotary and linear. Specification of lathe. The length of bed, maximum distance between dead and live centers, type of bed, straight, semi-gap or gap type, height of center from the bed, swing over the bed, swing over the cross slide, width of the bed, spindle bore, spindle speed, HP of main motor and RPM, number of spindle speed, spindle nose diameter, feet. Lathe operations. Straight turning. The A we diagram show in the straight turning. Cutting tool we have to move in the rotating workpiece. Cutting tool is placed in the vertical positions. This is the symbol of depth of cut. Next B taper turning. Next C profiling. Next D turning and external grinding. We have to grade the inside, remove the work material. Another one is facing. Another one is face grooving. Cutting with a form tool. H boring and internal grooving. We have to internal cutting work material to create the hollow shape, internal and internal grooving. Another one is the drilling, cutting of threading, knurling. We have to lathe operation. We have initially shows the pictures and explain the diagram. Okay, student. Next class we have discussed about mechanics of machining. Thank you.